Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so nothing blocks iMessage. Open Settings and go to Messages right away. Turn on iMessage, then tap Send and Receive to see your Apple ID, phone number, and email handles. Make sure the Apple ID signed here matches your iCloud sign-in. If it does not, sign out and sign back in. Once done, select the phone number and any email addresses you want people to reach you at. That choice controls which threads upgrade to iMessage. Now make the change from SMS to iMessage by composing a new message to the contact. Type the phone number or email exactly as listed in their Apple ID Send and Receive list. You will see the text bubble turn blue when iMessage is available. If the bubble stays green, wait briefly, network or activation can delay it, and try tapping the contact to confirm their iMessage-capable addresses. If needed, toggle airplane mode or Wi-Fi and retry so messages can recheck iMessage. Finish by confirming messages now send as blue iMessage bubbles and show delivered or read receipts if enabled. This proves the conversion worked. If iMessage will not activate, toggle iMessage off, restart the device, then toggle it back on. You can also sign out of Apple ID and Messages and sign back in. If problems persist, reset network settings, ensure date and time are automatic, and check the recipient setup. One key tip: if activation shows an error, try a different Wi-Fi or cellular connection before contacting Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.